Blessings. Welcome to New Nanny Town. You know, some people know it as Moore Town. Originally a New Nanny Town. It was created by Queen Nanny after old Nanny Town get attacked. They leave that area. They came over here, and they form community here and start them life all over again. Old Nanny Town is like 2 days hike from here, so a nice place, a good little spiritual energy and them thing. So now actually in a very important place for us as a people. We look over here, so that place over there, we call it Woman Town. So there's 2 hills where you look from, one forward, one on the back. There's a valley between it.
Right.
Your ancestors used to put the women and children. We call that area Woman Town. A very special place to us because women and children was and should be up to this day integral and most important thing within the family.
Right.
A woman, she at the portal between the physical and the spiritual. Children are the purest form, in the next future. What I mean? So I feel like that job of them did I do. We shouldn't continue. We think we lose it as a set of people right now still, but I think, over time we will get it back and we'll fix that. Many of us, I think my generation of youth, them really never grew enough father. So I feel like, we're more family oriented in our mind, spirit and things. So, yeah man, give thanks to the Akwaba.
Every time.